So guys, I just really found a good way to humanize, AI content. So I have few pretty prompts. So I've been testing every single thing and only these things, okay, which give me humanized content, okay? So this is a two-step process and you're gonna have to do a lot, small work. So the prompt is, so let's say I want to write an article of, let's say, hey, you are a blog writer and your role is to write me an articles. Now, so it's gonna give me a affirmation and the next prompt is what you need to do, okay? So let it load. It's taking a little bit of time. I think my internet connection is slow or the ChatGPT is thinking slow. Anyway, so absolutely just provided me with a topic or detail. Okay, I want to write on, so let's say I'm gonna give blog article. I want to write blog on this title. So let me think of a random title and okay, Cristiano Ronaldo, net worth. Okay, so this is my prompt, and after this prompt, I will give write article on write article with write article. Okay, once again, write like you are having. So guys, this is important. Just like I'm talking with a friend, you have to write this prompt. Write like you are having conversation with a friend, and I'm gonna write first person and more easy to read, no complicated words, use selling pitching points or selling points, anyone you can use pitching points if you can, if you can, if you want. Guys, some articles they need pitching point, but I think for Ronaldo net worth it doesn't need. But anyway, I'm gonna leave it right there and break down most complex sentences into bullet points or lists. Don't overcomplicate with words. Keep it simple. Keep it simple words. Now I hit enter and it's gonna produce me an article, but it is gonna be AI anyway. And there's a next prompt which is really important, which I'm gonna show you, which will turn entire AI article into humanized. Okay, let's copy this and go to paraphrase and see if it is AI content or not. Okay, so I have to go to AI detector and here I'm gonna paste and analyze text. So you can see this is 100% text is likely AI generated, right? Now what I'm gonna do, copy this, then go to Claude, make write this into write this blog article information which I give you into with grammatical mistakes, grammar error, grammar mistakes intentionally, and punctuations mistakes intentionally. So I'm gonna give the information and hit enter. So Claude is very powerful but limited, guys. Okay, Claude, it's like 5 prompts a day, but 5 prompts we can write 5 articles. Okay, so you can see it has written with the let me copy this, go to AI detector again, paste, analyze, So you can see this has reduced, right? But it is still showing somewhere this is a, you know, this is AI. So I'm gonna go to Claude again, do this for again, do this same for this. Paste it here, hit enter, and it's gonna give me again with a punctuation. Copy this, paste. Once again, breaking down Cristiano Ronaldo. Now Ronaldo what? Now let me analyze this again. Okay, it is coming back. I don't know why. Once again, guys. So let me check if this only single thing is human generated analyze text. Okay, I'm out of minimum 1200 words. All right. But guys, the thing is, this is not, you can trust this. This is a AI detector, not 100% reliable, but you get what I'm saying, right? So let's give the same prompt to ChatGPT and see how it goes. So what's the best AI? But I think Cloud AI is very powerful than ChatGPT. But uh, let's see if I can copy something. Copy this, paste it here, analyze again. 85%. It's going to 85%. So let me remove few sentences and check. Analyze. Okay, it's reducing. But the thing is, guys, so it has written with grammar mistakes. Okay, so this, whatever the article we have written with, it is written in grammar mistakes, right? So as you can see, I have given a prompt with a grammar mistake. Guys, this is the only thing. Okay, this is a thing which AI is like 100% perfect. It doesn't make grammar mistake. Humans always makes mistakes, right? So which is why any AI system, it is easy to detect if you have no zero grammar mistakes. So if you make grammar mistakes, it assumes that you are a human. And then what you can do, ask AI to, it doesn't make mistakes because it has a code, okay? Even if I tell some AI sometimes grammar mistake intentionally, it doesn't do because it has code embedded in itself. Like don't do mistakes for human. You have to be 100% perfect. So you have to trick the AI into writing the grammar mistakes, spelling mistakes, maybe punctuation mistake, and then take it to document or Google Docs and or Grammarly, put it in a Grammarly, and correct all the things, correct all the grammar things and everything, spelling mistakes and everything. Okay, so this is how you write 100% humanized content using AI. So I want you to like this video and subscribe, hit the subscribe and comment how you felt. I really appreciate if you comment. So catch you on the next one, and you can leave a comment what video you want next.